Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up emergency contact. In an emergency, having designated emergency contacts allow first responders or medical professionals to reach out to your loved ones quickly. To set up emergency contacts, open the Health app on your phone. Then, tap on Medical ID. If you haven't set up your medical ID yet, simply tap Create Medical ID. If you have already created a medical ID, tap Edit. To add an iPhone emergency contact, scroll down and tap the green plus button next to Emergency Contact. Select the person you want to make an emergency contact when your list of contacts appears. Note that you can only add a number as an emergency contact if they already saved on your iPhone as a regular contact. Then tap on the contact's relationship to you. Now, that contact appears on your medical ID as an emergency contact. Now that you have added an emergency contact on your iPhone, a new slider will appear when you activate Emergency SOS, an iOS 11 feature, by rapidly tapping the power button 5 times in a row. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.